A recent survey revealed that the average employee tenure is being estimated at around 3 years in the IT world, and corporates are finding talent retention very difficult. Stickiness is a subject that is often discussed, less understood, and rarely incorporated successfully. Having said that, Perfios has many people who love working here and have stayed long enough to make it their second home or even their first if you must. Today, I have Kanimoli with me. Kanimoli is a senior manager in the customer success team and one of the most reliable members of a team. Hi, Kanimoli. Run me a little bit through your journey at Perfios so far.
Hello. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to talk about my journey with Perfios. I joined the organization in 2017, and it's been 4 amazing years. The learning curve, I must say, is quite tremendous ever since. The role of CST is what attracted me the most. Perks of being the first member of a newly conceptualized team and the challenges that it presented was quite welcoming. Apart from that, the company itself had the promising potential that it had for the unique product suite that it had to offer, and the BFSI space as a whole was also quite intriguing for me to explore this opportunity.
Okay, there's such a glow on your face when you talk about your work. What is it about Perfios that makes you so happy about your work?
I must say that the credit definitely goes to the amazing team that I work with, and also the friends here at Perfios who've been a constant source of energy. The leaders who have guided me for the last 4 years, more precisely to be part of something special. Sure, the culture here at Perfios is a huge aspect, which has driven me to continue working here, but also being part of something special and meaningful taps far deeper. It taps into a sense of pride, belonging, and most importantly, the exclusiveness of the work that we do here. Perfios has always had a clear purpose of work, thriving to be a constant innovator. As Govi says, that the DNA for startup is deep-rooted in most of the members in the organization. And that has manifested for the company to be a market leader and ahead of the competition. I would also like to say that the Perfios has an amazing pool of talent where creativity feeds off one another. The leaders have always welcomed any input, be it as trivial or substantial. So that's another testament for people like us to keep going. While job hopping is plaguing the market, right? At Perfios, the trust that the leadership has in its employees and vice versa is another testament for the company's growth overall. And for me professionally also, it helps, helped with the growth overall.
Okay. What is important for you at work, Kanimoli?
Okay, so the notion of personal contribution makes a different, that induces a sense of responsibility and challenges me to deliver to the best of my efforts. Management has never ceased to recognize or respect the work that you offer, and which is another validation for us to keep going. Like I said earlier as well, so the solid knowledge tank at Perfios, the strong customer relationships, the networking with the industry leaders which the company offers is invaluable, and also with the recent digital transformations that are happening across, right, the opportunities are immense, and I'm certain that the learning at Perfios is only going to snowball. For me personally, over the period of time, seniority helps in my professional growth as well, and apart from that, you become a dependable resource. So the company values you for being a dependable resource. So these are certain things that differentiate Perfios and also excite me to continue doing what I do.
Okay, so if I were to summarize all that you said, the leadership has played a very big role in your personal fondness for Perfios and wanting to work here. Understandably so, because in large MNCs, we typically never meet the leadership. And I think the way they have inculcated the values and the culture at Perfios is making everybody so loyal and creative. I understand, stay hungry and stay at Perfios is what Kanimoli says. Thank you so much for talking to us, and I'm hoping to catch up with you soon again.
Thank you.